Hello everybody, Smokity Smokes here. Going to be doing a tobacco review on Russ Monthly Blend Cinnamon Roll. This is an aromatic blend on pipesandcigars.com. It says it is made up of Burley, Cavendish, and Virginia. Its room note is level 3 out of 5, which they call balanced. And its flavor intensity is also 3 out of 5 balanced. Last but not least, never mind. Yeah, it's an aromatic, and it says its top flavors are Misk and Vanilla, and it is a ribbon cut. But anyway, enough of that. I believe it's also $2.95 for an ounce at pipesandcigars.com if you want to try it out. It's pretty good. I like it. I really like it. I don't love it. It's not my favorite, but most tobacco blends out there, I'm not like, oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. It's really rare that ever happens. This, however, I can say it's good. I do like it. I'm glad I got to try it, and I think a lot of other people will like it. A lot of other people do like it. That's why there's so many positive reviews on it. I just don't absolutely love it. However, I will say it's very, very good. It tastes like a cinnamon roll. You have that sort of cinnamony taste with sort of like a hint of like some kind of dessert, like vanilla cream type flavor. One thing that's always tricky with these aromatics, though, when they say what the flavor is supposed to be, first of all, I think it's awesome how there's tobaccos that are supposed to taste like a specific kind of food, like eggnog, or like a cinnamon roll, a candy corn, chocolate, and like this. It's really cool how you get a smoke that tastes like a kind of food in a way. I really, really like that. But it can be misleading, though, because when you're smoking it, you're thinking of that food, and you might be subjectively thinking of that flavor. So you're smoking it, and then you'd be like, oh yeah, I taste it. But if nobody told you what the flavor is supposed to be, you might be like, I guess it tastes good, I just don't know what it is. That's the thing. But I can say I did taste cinnamon roll, but it might have been because I read the name. But it did taste good, though. Oh, it has a very distinct spice type smell. Like, I smelled it, at first I just thought of, like, you know, that good, like, almost like chocolate smell, you know, when you get from, like, a sweet tobacco. But there's, like, a spice there. It's hard to describe, but that's what, like, cinnamon is, or a, I don't know what, I guess it is a spice. That's what you would call it. But it's a good smell. And you taste that hint of cinnamon and then that cream flavor, and it's kind of, I would call it a mellow flavor. I wouldn't say it's balanced personally. I say it's kind of a lighter taste, but I think most people, 9 out of 10 people would enjoy this. I think maybe not that. 4 out of 5 people or more would enjoy this, I think. You have to like aromatics first of all, but if you like aromatics, I'm sure you'll probably like this. I don't think anybody would regret getting this. It is good for what it is. The room note is amazing on this thing. It tastes, no, sorry, it smells. By the way, in case you don't know, room note means the smell. It smells like someone's baking fresh cinnamon rolls. That's exactly what it smells like. The smell is better than the taste, I think. It smells amazing. I was like, oh my gosh. Like, usually when you're the one smoking, it's harder for you to distinguish what the smell is like. That's what's really weird. When you're tasting it, it's harder to smell it. You kind of have to try and, like, you know, puff on it real fast and then get like a whiff of the smoke that you blew out. It's difficult to do, but if you really try, you can get an idea of what it smells like. When you're the one smoking it, someone else is next to you and you're smoking it, they're the ones who can really, really, really smell it. It's interesting. If you have 2 people smoking different kinds of tobaccos, you'll taste your own, they'll taste theirs, but they will smell your tobacco and you will smell theirs. Try it sometime. It's really, really cool. But yeah, I'm just throwing that out there. It smells amazing. It's a really good smell. And it's a pretty good taste. Not amazing, but I do like it. It's a good flavor. Smoke's kind of medium-ish heat. A little bit hot for my taste. A lot of aromatics are. No surprise there. But if you like cinnamon rolls, like the whole idea of cinnamon, I say it's a winner. I give it a thumbs up. I don't think it's the most amazing thing ever, but it is really, really good for what it is. So I guess I could say yes, I recommend it.